So for today cooking video, it's another quick and simple one. You may or may not have this into your home, but my children, they love fritters, all right, fritters. Now you have different variation of it. You can use sawfish, you can use it being plain, you can use just vegetable, you can use tuna, you can use sausages, you can use it, mix it up with just cheese. It's just however you want. So for this one, they requested it with sausages. All right, so I'm gonna just talk for this part of the video and then the rest you'll see what I'm doing. For right here, I have flour. Do not use self-rising flour, use just the regular flour, and you have to check the flours because you also have flour that make bread. So when you're buying your flour, make sure you read it, you're getting the regular flour. At times I can make it a little bit chunky and sometimes I smooth it out, like this one right here. This it looks pasty, but it is really red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange, yellow, hence the color. Then it also have the purple onion or red onion, and then the regular white onion. Sometimes I make it chunky and then sometimes I do it a little bit paste, because when you're chewing the fritters, you're going to actually chew this. So I'm gonna put that in there. We get a spoon. So put that in there. Again, this is how you like it. Now on this side I have tomato and scallion. Now I didn't grind, so this is the size. So if you don't want the first one to look smooth out like that, you can make it chunky like this. Now for me, when I eat it, I like to really chew on the tomato, hence why I do it this side. So you have the tomato, the scallion, pour everybody in. And then now you have seasoning to your like. I have different variation. This is my all-purpose own blend, and I also put a little bit of salt in it because you know you don't want the flour to be fresh. So I add the salt, and then that's gonna go in it as well. Then right here, if you can see the bigger piece, this is hot sausages. You can see the pepper in it. So this is hot sausages and this is regular sausages. If you want, you can put it in there like this. However they like when I fry it first. So I'm going to fry this up, and after I fry it up, I'm going to add it to the pot. that is a yes. That is what it looks. You want to try this for them? Here, try this for them and tell them how it tastes. Here.
Okay.
Come.
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I'll soon give you the plate. Let me finish the video. So, yeah. So, another quick 15 minutes meal. Make it however you like. So the tomato, I'm say look a chunky in it. I like with the tomato, like to throw a little bit on it as well. So that completes it for, I'll put this in the frame. That completes it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comments what other cooking video I want to do. Yeah, you. Okay.